Umnyango wezobulungiswa uthi kusazothatha isikhathi ukuba Izelamani zakwa GUPTA zibuye kulelizwe zizobhekana nengalo yomthetho. Laba basolwa ngokusebenzisa ubudlelwane ababenabo nowayengumengameli uJacob Zuma ukuze bahlomule ngemisebenzi kahulumeni, baphinde futhi babe nesandla ekuqokweni kongqongqoshe bekhabinethe, baboshwe eDubai kulelisonto.
Amaphoyisa aseDubai athi ukuboshwa ka-Atul kanye noRajesh Gupta kumayelana nokushushumbisa ngemali bephindelela e-United Arab Emirates. Laba babhekene nezinsolo zamacala enkohlakalo abawenza kulelizwe khathi bebhozomela amabhizinisi ombuso. Isikhungo esishushisa amacala omphakathi sithi ukuboshwa kwabo kwenzeke emva kokusebenzisana kweinhlaka ezehlukene zezomthetho.
It would therefore not be appropriate for us as the prosecution to discuss the details of the process that is underway in the media. But we can confirm that we are engaging with the relevant authorities here in South Africa and in the UAE. We have assembled a team of experts internally and externally who are working closely with the role players in the criminal justice system on the matter.
Umnyango wezobulungiswa uthi kusazothatha isikhathi ngaphambi kokuba lezi zilamani zakwa GUPTA zishushiswe ngamacala ezawenza eNingizimu Afrika.
It's a court process and it can get quite protracted, as you would have seen in some extradition matters in our own country with other foreign nationals who are wanted in other countries for criminality. They have rights and they can challenge those processes right up to the highest court in the land.
The agreement was strengthened by what was happening in relation to the investigations that were done to the GUPTA brothers, and the NPA started to actually liaising with the Department of Justice to actually seek assistance when they were doing investigations after the GUPTA brothers left the country, and it took a bit of time for the agreement to be entered into by the two countries.
Lokhu kuboshwa kwamadodana akwaGupta kuzokwenza ukuthi kubelula ku-NPA kanye nakwezinye izikhungo zezomthetho ukuthi laba babhekane namacala enkohlakalo kulelizwe.